We're here today with Tony Enders, inventor of the Chain Shark, a semi-automatic chain grinder attachment. The unit attaches to your existing hydraulic grinder or available as a complete unit. You may be thinking, why do I need an attachment for my hydraulic grinder? The benefits of the attachment bring chain grinding to the next level at a reasonable price. Grinding chains can be tedious. This leads to inconsistent cutter length, in turn causing poor chain performance. Without our attachment, you have the awkward constant motion of reaching and pulling the grinding head, causing arm and back pain. With the Chain Shark's ergonomical design system, you keep your arms and hands stationary in a low position with less movement. With the constant and exact rotation of the arm, chains are consistently sharp and the cutter has time to cool, resulting in no burning, giving you longer chain life and longer life of your wheel. With the hands-free foot pedal operation, as you see here, the Chain Shark enables you to advance the chain quickly, keeping you focused on the sharpening of the chain versus being distracted by the added steps and motions used with a manual grinder, thus saving time and money. When comparing the Chain Shark to other automatic grinders, the ease of use is key. Along with only 3 moving parts, this makes the Chain Shark a grinder that anyone can set up and grind chains in no time.